To build a PC for $800 I can play every game at ultra settings. Well, I got a PC for you. Let's go ahead and build it. Cost $800. I'm going to play every game at ultra or very high settings. Alright, let's go and get into it. So this, for the CPU, we're going to go with the AMD FX 6350 3.9 GHz 6-core processor. This processor is very overclockable. It's got 6 powerful cores and it's clocked at 3.9 GHz. And if you want to overclock some more, you can. Alright, it's only going to cost you about $130. For the CPU cooler, we're going to go with the Cooler Master Sadeon 120M 86.2 CFM liquid CPU cooler. I went with the water cooling because for intense overclocking, you really do need it. And yeah, air cooling really isn't going to be the solution. For the motherboard, we're going to the ASRock 980DDE3U3S3 ATX motherboard. It's going to cost around $70. It's going to do the job. It's going to give you those RAM slots that you need, and it's going to give you just a great overall motherboard. For the RAM, we're going to go with the Kingston Black Series 8GB DDR3 1600 MHz memory, and it's 2 modules, which is kind of what I wanted. You get a little bit better performance with 2 modules versus 1 module, and you still get the great performance, and you can still add 2 more sticks to get 16 gigabytes of RAM. For the hard drive, we're going to get the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1 terabyte hard drive, 3.5, 7200 RPM. This is a very good hard drive. It's 1 terabyte. It's what you need. 72 RPM, very reliable and quiet. And it's only going to cost about $67. Now this is an option. Since I've been talking about SSDs in my past builds, I thought I might want it to give my opinion or my option. I would go with the Intel 335 series. This is not included in the build. This cannot fit the $800 price point, so keep in mind on that. But it will still do the job as a good solid state drive. The most exciting part of the build, the GPU, we're going to go with the Gigabyte R9 280X 3GB video card. This thing is an absolute beast of a video card. It's got 3 fans, so you can overclock it. It's 3 GB of VRAM, which is exactly what you need, and you could add multiple monitor configurations. So it's just a great. It's a base. It's $360. It's almost half our build, but it's definitely worth it. For the case, we're gonna go with the Rosewell Blackbone ATX mid-tower case. This case is a very good quality case for the price, and really, I couldn't fit a high-end case. Definitely when I do like over $1,000 build, I'll definitely include more of a quality case. This case will do exactly what you need it to do. Only for $32. For the power supply, keep in mind this power supply is on sale. That's basically why I got it. It's gonna be $20 more, and it's $20 off essentially. And it's the Corsair 600 watt 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. It's on sale for only $40. It's 600 watts, which is exactly what we need, and it's gonna give you enough to overclock. If you could squeeze in a 700 watt maybe to get another GPU if you wanted to add another GPU, but I really couldn't see it happening. But for the DVD writer, we're gonna go with the LG DVD writer, $15. Yeah, so that's not right. It's actually $803. I obviously did the wrong number. Sorry about that. But whatever. Now getting on to the other stuff. For the OS, we're going with Windows 8 64-bit. It's going to cost you $100. Great OS. Going to definitely have that. How do I describe this? It's going to make your games run a lot faster, and it's required to run a lot of games on Ultra. So go ahead and get it. For the monitor, this was a debate I had with myself. Do I get a 120 Hertz monitor? I decided to. It's the BenQ XL2 720T 120 Hertz monitor. It's a great monitor. It's just a little pricey, $421, but that's what you're going to need to pay for 120 Hertz, because this system will play a lot of games past 60 frames. Not necessarily like Far Cry 3 or Crysis 3 or maybe Battlefield 4, but it will definitely play a lot of those other games that you might be interested in. And you might want to get those advanced frames. You may even be able to play Battlefield. You probably will be able to play Battlefield 3 at ultra settings above 60 frames. So, just something to keep in mind. For the keyboard, we're going with the Razer Black Widow Ultimate. This is a great overall mechanical keyboard. Razer is a great brand for mechanical keyboards. This is mainly opinion. And to match the build, we're going to get the Razer Death Adder 2013. So, once again, it's coming at $803. Sorry, I forgot that I typed in the wrong number. And you're getting a great PC for the price, maxing out every game at $800. I looked on YouTube, there was one other PC build that was like almost identical, but it had an i5 and it was locked. So I wanted to get a 6-core, because what I do, first, I get the budget, and then I go on YouTube and I search up the builds, see what my competition is, and I think I beat out these systems. But a lot of them have very similar components, like my $600 build. I mean, it's just so identical, but the higher you get, the better, the more spread out they get. So I'll probably, let me know in the comment section, I'm thinking of doing it like maybe like a $1,200 build, really for that price point. You know what I should really do? I should really do a $1,000 build. Let me know in the comment section, 1,000, 1,200, whatever you want. Because I kind of messed up on 1,000. I really spent too much money on the processor and really gave a weak GPU that's not going to be able to play every game on Ultra. But, so, let me know in the comment section what you'd rather have. Or if you want me to do a low-end PC, that would be interesting too. But, let me know in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and of course subscribe if you really love the video. Thanks for watching, guys.